let's get right into it. Number 15. Before SpaceX was even a company, Musk tried to buy rockets from Russia. The Russians laughed at his offer and told him to come back when you have more money. On the flight home, he opened his laptop and built a spreadsheet proving he could build rockets cheaper himself. That spreadsheet became SpaceX's business plan. Number 14. At 16, Musk and his brother tried to open a video game arcade near their school. They had the lease ready, but the city shut them down because they were too young to sign legal documents. Imagine if the Musk empire had started with Pac-Man instead of Mars. Number 13. After selling PayPal, Musk bought a McLaren F1, one of the rarest cars in the world. He famously crashed it with no insurance, while giving a ride to PayPal co-founder Peter Thiel. The car was destroyed, but Musk walked away laughing and went straight back. Number 12. In 2008, both Tesla and SpaceX were on the verge of bankruptcy. Musk had to choose between saving one company or splitting his last $40 million to save both. He split it, and both survived. That gamble made him a billionaire years later. Number 11. When Tesla's Model 3 production hit crisis mode, Musk didn't just work late. He slept on the factory floor for weeks. He said it was the fastest way to solve problems in real time. No corner office, just a sleeping bag next to the assembly line. Number 10. Musk bought the actual Lotus Esprit submarine car from the James Bond movie, The Spy Who Loved Me. He planned to make it a real, functional submersible using Tesla tech. It's still in his collection, waiting for its next mission. Number 9. Tesla's insane mode wasn't just a marketing gimmick. It was Musk's idea to make electric cars fun. It lets a Model S go from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just over 2 seconds. He once said, "If you're going to make a car, make it epic." Number 8. Despite being one of the richest people alive, Musk sold most of his real estate and now lives in a $50,000 prefab house near SpaceX's Starbase in Texas. He says it's all he needs, and it's walking distance to the rocket factory. Number 7. Neuralink. Musk's brain-computer interface company once had a monkey play Pong using only its mind. The monkey controlled the paddle through brain signals. No joystick, no buttons. Musk says this is just the beginning. Number 6. Musk has floated the idea that Mars could have its own cryptocurrency for trade. He's hinted Bitcoin might work, but also that Mars might need its own independent economy. Number 5. As a kid in South Africa, Musk was bullied so badly he ended up in the hospital. He later learned karate, judo, and wrestling. Not to fight, but to never feel powerless again. Number 4. By age 9, Musk had read the entire Encyclopedia Britannica. He says it gave him a mental Google. Number 3. SpaceX's first 3 rocket launches failed. The 4th, their last shot before running out of money, succeeded. That single launch saved the company and secured a NASA contract. Number 2. Musk often says he doesn't care if something seems impossible. If it doesn't break the laws of physics, it's worth trying. That's why he's chasing reusable rockets, brain-machine links, and tunnels under cities. Number 1. Musk splits his day into 5-minute blocks. Every meeting, email, and task is scheduled in micro-chunks, a system he's used for decades to juggle multiple billion-dollar companies. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to subscribe